The only person who can change your life is you. Your body is made up of millions of atoms and molecules whose only purpose in life is you. You can get whatever you want, but before that you have to believe in yourself. Do not doubt. Act in line with your goal every moment. The universe only pays attention to the vibration you send from yourself. If you want money, act like rich people, dress like them, spend money like them. You have to train your subconscious. Your mind has been limiting itself to facts for years. But the time has come for change. It is no accident that you are watching this video right now. You are looking for progress and change. The universe also puts you on this path. Do not doubt. Do not think how. Have faith and be sure that the universe will make its way for you. If you want to have a Mercedes-Benz Model G63. If you want to have a villa by the sea. If you want a penthouse in the best location in the city. If you are thinking of having expensive jewelry. If you are thinking of earning a few $100,000, even $1 million and even more. You can get all of these. It may seem impossible now, but think of them and love them. How does your heart feel? What does your mind say? Does your heart sink? Does it feel bad? Do you feel heavy on your heart? Or does your heart get excited? Do you feel butterflies in your stomach? Don't fit in your skin? If you feel bad and you don't believe, it's your limiting beliefs that don't allow it. You have to fight them. They don't let you get what you want. You will overcome them all. Do not doubt. We will get rid of them together. If you've watched the video this far, you've realized that the only person who can make your dreams come true is you. The hero of your life is yourself. Today, I want you to choose a beautiful notebook, start writing your wishes. Although it seems impossible to get them now, please take the time to do this. I will also do these exercises with you. Next week, we will be one step closer to our dreams. Just follow the steps on this path to success. Thank you for watching this video. There are other motivational videos on the channel that you can watch. Their link is in the description. If you have any questions, you can write. I will definitely answer. Watch this playlist as a cure for all your worries. This video was just the beginning. Hope to see you in the next video. I love you all.